laid down my pearl mix as a base coat, and I'm using, this one is deep violet with just a tad of white in it. This is deep magenta. Doesn't have a stick for some reason. And here is my dioxidine purple. They're all mixed in, and I give the recipe in the description box. I have iridescent gold, fine, light magenta. I hope you can see that. And here is some dioxidine purple mixed with quite a bit of white. Lastly, I have magenta. This is fuchsia, I'm sorry, this is fuchsia. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to layer a cup for this pour. And I'm going to put, I also have some of the pearl mix, just slightly thicker, to go in my cup. So I'm going to start with that on the bottom. Like I said, you can find all of these recipes in the description box. They're mixed pretty damn thin.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you...
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.